Gnocchi alla parmigiana is a delicious way to enjoy gnocchi in a rich and flavorful variation. Here is a recipe you can follow. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of potato gnocchi, 500 milliliters of tomato puree, 250 grams of mozzarella, 100 grams of grated Parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh basil, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. Preparation: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. To prepare the sauce, put some extra virgin olive oil in a pan and add the peeled garlic cloves, letting them soften over medium heat. Add the tomato puree to the pan, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and cook for about 15–20 minutes until the sauce has thickened a bit. At the end of cooking, add hand-torn fresh basil. While the sauce cooks, boil the gnocchi in plenty of salted water following the instructions on the package. They are usually ready as soon as they float to the surface. Drain the gnocchi and pour them into a baking dish, adding the tomato sauce and mixing well. Cut the mozzarella into cubes and distribute it over the gnocchi, then sprinkle with grated Parmesan. Bake the dish in the oven and cook for about 10–15 minutes or until the cheese has melted and is slightly golden. Remove from the oven and serve the gnocchi alla parmigiana hot, adding fresh basil leaves for garnish. Curiosity: Parmigiana is a dish that is traditionally prepared with eggplants in Italy, but the concept of layering ingredients with tomato sauce and cheese is also very well suited to alternative dishes like gnocchi. In this case, the combination of gooey gnocchi and tomato sauce creates a comforting dish loved by both adults and children.